So this is a large Russian olive tree that blew over today. There's a huge gust of wind tore this tree right out of the ground. It's sitting here along this river. It's a little creek over here, and so the wind burst took and tore it down, landed on top of this truck here. So yeah, not a very good day for this guy. It's huge. Goes halfway across the street. Where's the dog? Oh, you have him? Okay. But yeah, that's huge. I imagine it did a bit of damage to the truck there. Wow. Actually, I hadn't seen this side yet. That is huge. My gosh. That was a big tree. Looks like a Dodge 4x4. Can barely see it in there. Not good.